This matcha latte is giving my stomach warm green hugs on its way down. I'm Mark Matsumoto and welcome to my Tokyo kitchen. Today I want to show you an easy way to make a decadent sweet matcha latte that I think is better than the one you can get at Starbucks. This green tea is rich and creamy and it'll warm you up from the inside out. So let's have a look at our ingredients. I've got 3/4 of a cup of whole milk, 45 grams of white chocolate, I'm using Valrhona Ivoire today, and 1 teaspoon of matcha. Matcha is shade-grown green tea that's been dried and ground into a fine powder. It gets its emerald color from chlorophyll, which oxidizes super easily, so if you want your matcha latte to be vibrant green, fresh high-quality matcha is crucial. This isn't sponsored, but I get mine directly from a tea farm in Kyoto and they ship around the world, so I'll include a link in the video description below. To prepare a green tea latte, I'm gonna add the white chocolate, matcha, and milk to a microwave-safe container. Then I'm gonna pop it into a microwave oven and heat it up until the milk is steaming hot, but not boiling. If you don't have a microwave, you can also just heat the milk in a pot and pour it over the chocolate and matcha. Once your milk is nice and steamy like this, I'm gonna get it out of the microwave and let it sit for a few seconds for the white chocolate to melt. Then I'm gonna use an immersion blender to mix this together. You could also do this with a whisk, but I'd recommend sifting your matcha first if you're gonna do it this way. By tipping the blender a bit to one side, it'll incorporate more air and foam it up. If you happen to have a milk frother, that'll work too. Once you have a nice thick head of foam like this, just pour your green tea latte into an insulated cup to serve it. Use a spoon to control the ratio of foam to latte that goes into your cup. Beautiful, isn't it? Alright, let's try this matcha latte out. Itadakimasu. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh man, if that's not comforting, I don't know what is. It's rich and creamy with a bit of sweetness coming from that white chocolate, but the matcha offers a fresh bitterness that keeps the sweetness from getting too cloying. I mean, if you think about it, it's kind of like the matcha version of hot chocolate, so I hope you'll give this a try. Well, I'm gonna go rake up some leaves, but check out this playlist for more matcha recipe ideas, and I'll catch you in the next one.